Assalamualaikum and hi everyone. My name is Afzan Izaris bin Abil. My matrix number is 2023644674. This presentation contains Chapter 3, Compound Interest, and Chapter 4, Annuity. This presentation will be presented by me, Afzan Izaris bin Abil, Eden Walter Palalun, Azwadina Nurul Atika binti Amir, and last but not least, Nur Amna Fatini binti Abdul Ghani. And we are from Group 9. So without further ado, let's get started. Question 1. 600 ringgit is invested for 5 years 6 months. The investment is offered an interest rate of 7% compounded every 6 months for the first 2 years and 9% compounded every 3 months for the rest of the period. The first Roman, determine the accumulated amount at the end of the investment period. So the formula that we will be using is S equals to P in opening bracket 1 plus I closing bracket to the power of N. P is principal equals to 600. I is the interest rate, which is 7%. So it will be 0.07 over 2. Why is it 2? It is because the question says it compounded every 6 months for the first 2 years. So, which means it compounds twice in a year. The N is the compounding frequency. For the whole 2 years, it compounds 4 times. So S equals to 600, opening bracket 1 plus 0.07 over 2, closing bracket to the power of 4. So the answer will be 688.51 ringgit. Okay, now we will be doing for the second calculation for the second period. So we will still be using the same formula. So the principal equals to 688.51. The interest rate is 9%. So it will be 0.09 over 4. 4, why 4? Because it compounded every 3 months. So it compounds 4 times in a year. The compounding frequency N is 14. So for the rest of the period, which is 3 years and 6 months, it compounds 14 times. So S equals to 688.51, opening bracket 1 plus 0.09 over 4, closing bracket to the power of 14. So the answer will be 940.15 ringgit. So the accumulated amount for the whole 5 years and 6 months is 688.51 ringgit plus 940.15 ringgit equals to 1,628.66 ringgit. Alright, let's move on to the second Roman. So the formula that we will be using is I equals to S minus P. So S is 1,628 ringgit 66 cent minus P, which is 600. So the answer that we will get is 1,028 ringgit 0.66 cent.
Hi, my name is Azwadina Nurul Atika and my matrix number is 2023872702. I will explain to you about question 2. To start a business, Susanti has taken a loan of RMZ at a rate of 7.5% compounded every 2 months. After 2 years, Susanti has to pay RM 99,000. Find the value of RMZ. So in this question, we have to use the formula S equal P in bracket 1 plus K per M and MT. So we have the future value, which is 99,000. The P is the one that we have to find, which is RMZ. And the K is the interest rate, which is 7.5%, but we change it to decimal point, which is 0.075. The M, compounding frequency, it is 6 because it says that it compounded every 2 months. 2 months means 6. And the T, which is time, 2 years. So we have to multiply the 6 with 2 to get the MT, and we get 12. And then we have to write down the amount 99,000 RM equal with Z in bracket 1 plus 0.075 divided with 6 and close the bracket, and we have 12 on the outside. And then we have to solve the right side first, and we got the answers 1.1607554518. And then we have to divide it with 99,000 because we have to find the Z, the P. And we got the answers, which is RM 85,289.35 cents. So that is the answers for question 2.
Hi, my name is Nur Amna Fatini binti Abdul Ghani. My matrix number is 20236202232. I will discuss about question 3. Question 3. ABB Bank offers a personal loan of 50,000 ringgit and a customer has to pay equal monthly payments for 7 years at an interest rate of 3.5% compounded monthly. Roman 1. Find the monthly payment for the loan. To answer the first question, we have to use the present value formula, which is A equals to R open bracket 1 minus in bracket 1 plus I to the power of negative n divided to I close bracket. A equals to 50,000, I equals to 0.035 over 12, n equals to 12 times 7, and R is unknown. So 50,000 equals to R open bracket 1 minus in bracket 1 plus 0.035 over 12 to the power of negative 12 times 7, which is 84, divided to 0.035 over 12. 50,000 equals to 74.405588R. So R equals to 671 ringgit 99 cents. For the second Roman, we have to find the interest charge for the loan. So we have to use formula I equals to N times R minus A. N is 84 times R, which is 671.99, and minus A, which is 50,000. So we will get 6,447 ringgit 16 cents. Next, calculate the outstanding balance if the customer decided to settle the loan immediately after the 50th payment. Thus, we have to use present value formula again in order to get A. So, A equals to 671.99 open bracket 1 minus in bracket 1 plus 0.035 over 12 to the power of negative 84 minus 50, which will get 34. Divide to 0.035 over 12. So A equals to 671.99 times 32.323720 equals to 21,721 ringgit 22 cents. And the last question, calculate the amount that the customer has to pay on the 5th payment if the customer fails to pay the first 4 monthly payments in order to settle the outstanding arrears. So this time, we will use the future value formula, which is S equals to R, open bracket, in bracket 1 plus I to the power of n, minus 1, divided to I, close bracket. So we have to find what is the S. So R, which is 671.99, close open bracket, in bracket 1 plus 0.035 over 12 to the power of 5 minus 1 divided to 0.035 over 12 close bracket, which will get 671.99 times 5.029252 equals to 3,379 ringgit 61 cents.
Hi, my name is Aiden and my matrix number is 2023601788.
Question 4. Sabrina borrows RM 10,000 at 4.8% compounded monthly. She decides to make the monthly payment of 250. How long will it take her to pay off the loan? Give your answers in months and round it to the nearest whole number of months. For this question, we will use the formula A equals to R, open bracket 1 minus open bracket 1 plus I, close bracket, negative n over I, close bracket. So the notations are A equals to RM 10,000, R equals to 0.048 over 12, and n is the unknown, and R equals to 250. After that, we insert all of the notations into the formula. RM 10,000 equals to 250 open bracket 1 minus open bracket 1 plus 0.048 over 12, close bracket, negative n over 0.048 over 12. After completing all the equations in the bracket, we will get the answer of 1.004 negative n equals to 0.84. After that, we insert log 0.84 equals to log 1.004 negative n. So we divide it log 0.84 over log 1.004 to get the negative n, and the answer should be 44 months.